Taipei City Search and Rescue Team deploys to aid aftermath of devastating earthquake in southern Turkey. A 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck southern Turkey, causing over 600 deaths and widespread damage to buildings. The Taipei City Search and Rescue Team, with a wealth of disaster relief experience and extensive equipment, will send 30 members, including 1 doctor, 1 nurse, 1 structural technician, and 2 search and rescue dogs to assist with relief efforts. The team, formed after the 921 earthquake, will depart from Taoyuan Airport late at night, following a flag presentation ceremony.